Today is an important day because we are completing 2 years after the Honorable Prime Minister has given us this Sankalpa for Swachh Bharat. This is the biggest parliament, I can say, of the People's Parliament conveyed in the country on the issue of realizing Swachh Bharat. I would like to call this assembly of stakeholders as the Great India Sanitation Alliance. It's an India Sanitation Alliance. All of us have come together, irrespective of party, region, religion, caste, creed, sex. We all come together because this is an alliance formed to have Swachh Bharat in India. For the last 2 years, Modi is all about sanitation. Modi means not our Modi ji. Modi means making of developed India. That is the mission for all of us, that we are all moving in that direction. There were some feeble efforts in the past also to make our country clean. But the difference now is the intent, the passion, the people's participation and the progress. When this program was launched, the Honorable Prime Minister told me, Venkaiah ji, this should not be a government program. This should not be a political program. I was wondering what else it could be. Then he told me it should be converted into a Jan Andolan. उन्होंने कहा इसको एक जन आंदोलन का रूप दीजिए, देश में हर एक समाज का वर्ग का लोगों को में जागृत होना चाहिए और सब लोगों का इसमें भागीदारी होना चाहिए, तभी ये अभियान सफल होगा, ऐसा उन्होंने मुझे मार्गदर्शन किया है. Taking clue from the Honorable Prime Minister, I have written to all the Chief Ministers, to the governors and also to the district level officials and then to the religious, spiritual leaders, religious leaders, industry, icons of film industry, as well as sports and other social organizations, urging them to extend their support. I am happy to share with all of you, in the last 2 years, almost all the important icons in various sectors of the public life, they have come forward in their own way to join this campaign. That's why this program is getting converted into a Jan Andolan. I am very happy about it. This is the biggest ever mass mobilization in the recent years, I can say. What is most heartening is that women are in the forefront of the movement. If women takes up the movement, it will definitely become successful. That is my experience and that's my confidence. To give a few illustrations, Honorable Prime Minister, Sangeeta Ahwale of Saikade village in Wasim district of Maharashtra has sold her Mangal Sutra to build a toilet. See the example she has set up before the country. 104-year-old Kunwar boy of Kotabari village in Dhamtari district of Chhattisgarh sold her goats to do the same. 20-year-old Priyanka Adivasi of Gopalpur village of Korras block returned to her parents as there is no toilet at her in-laws house and her husband now has promised to build one and take her back home. A Muslim woman in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh gifted a toilet to her daughter-in-law since she did not want the member of her family suffer the way she did without a toilet all these years. We are reading reports of more and more young women refusing to get married into households without toilets. A school girl in the Koppal district of Karnataka, Lavanya, 14 years old, she went on hunger strike demanding the toilets for all the 80 households in her village. Initially, people took it lightly. Later, they realized, so the entire village came together and all of them has gone for construction of toilets. 80 households in the village, they have toilets also. That's another great example. What more inspiring stories that are needed to know and understand the power of this people's movement for Swachh Bharat. The 21st century, India cannot afford to certain things that include illiteracy and literati. Illiteracy and literati. Literati are the class of people who throw garbage in the open, unmindful of the consequences for themselves and for others as well. This class of people, including both car-owning people who throw out water bottles and banana peel while driving, and the poor who spit in the open after chewing tobacco or something else. Both these sections, they have this habit. A battle on this, against this class of literati is required. Our country can literate only when we are free from this menace of littering in the open. Sanitation literacy is the need of the hour, and behavioral change is the solution for which efforts are on. Swachh Bharat addresses one of the problems of solid waste management, freedom from open defecation, and street cleaning. Under the guidance of the Prime Minister, we have come out with few innovative schemes. One is waste to compost. Cabinet has approved it, and then some subsidies given for that compost. Second is waste to energy. Cabinet has approved it, and some concessional tariff also is given, and mandate also has been given to all these discoms. And the third one is my colleague in the Surface Transport Ministry. He has come out with a new idea of converting the construction and demolition material to reuse it also. All these three new initiatives by this government are going to solve the problem of solid waste in a big way. The other important thing is drainage and sewerage networks and wastewater treatment comes under Amrut. Prime Minister told us before taking up anything in the urban development, first focus on drinking water. Second, focus on sanitation. Third, focus on solid waste management. Take care of these three things and then move forward. Earlier we were constructing flyovers, we were constructing other things and all. But today the priority is these three important aspects under the guidance of the Prime Minister. A major achievement in the last 2 years has been the Swachh Bharat agenda is now politically mainstreamed. Whatever may be there, unless there is political will and administrative skill, you will not be able to achieve the target. Now I am happy to inform you all the political view, the political will is emerging everywhere. And also the administrative skills and also the interest people's participation, they are all now coming forward. Our chief ministers, our governors, our MLAs, our MPs, our corporators, our mayors, our municipal chairmen, they are all coming together in different places to take care of the cleanliness in their villages, in their towns. Credit for this mainstreaming of sanitation concern goes to our Honorable Prime Minister. He is the person who gave us this direction. Prime Minister is a social mobilizer. Through his Mann Ki Baat, whether it is sanitation, whether it is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, all this is motivating the people from the front. Taking advantage of that, the various departments of the government, they are moving in the direction of creating the needed awareness as well as participation. Because earlier, people used to think, ये सब सरकार का काम है, ये सब सरकार का काम है, ये सब काम सरकार करेगा, हम बेकार बैठे तो चलेगा. ये मनस्थिति थे लोगों में. वो मनस्थिति में परिवर्तन आया, सोच में बदलाव आया, एक अच्छा शुभ परिणाम है. With this kind of transformation of attitudes taking place at all levels, Swachh Bharat is just around the corner and may even be the target set by the Prime Minister will be fulfilled, I am confident. So friends, there was some slow movement in the beginning. But later, after everybody has realized their responsibility, the momentum has now picked up. It has gained significant momentum over the last about 1 year. As a result, today see the result. As a result, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh are now in a position to proclaim from tomorrow that urban areas in these two states have become open defecation free. These are the states. And we are also having information that Kerala is going to follow it, then followed by Maharashtra, then other states also. Kerala is set to follow the same this year itself. A few other states like Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram and northeastern states are also racing towards their urban spaces free of open defecation. 405 cities and towns are now in a position to claim to become open defecation free. 739 of the 4,041 cities and towns, including Swachh Bharat Mission, would reach ODF status by March next year, that is 2017. As per the reports received from the states, 20,000 of the 82,000 urban wards have addressed the issue of open defecation. In urban areas, over 24 lakh individual household toilets have been built and another 19 lakh toilets are close to completion. 90,000 community and public toilet seats have been built and another 1,29,000 seats are under construction. From counting the number of toilets being built, we are now at a stage of counting the number of cities and towns becoming open defecation free. Similarly is the case in the rural areas. In the rural area also, the momentum has picked up. People have realized the need for having this open defecation free. So far, so good. This Grand India Sanitation Alliance is meeting today to count the progress and more importantly, to look at the road ahead and challenges ahead for the next 3 years so that the Alliance can present the gift of Swachh Bharat as our best tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on the occasion of his 105th birth anniversary by 2019. All of us should take a pledge that we will join this movement and will make it success. Friends, as I told you, that the government of India, the Prime Minister has told all of us, we must work as Team India, center, state, and urban local bodies and Panchayat Raj local bodies. We should come together. We are a Team India. We believe in cooperative federalism, so we are working together. There is no scope for politics. Government of India will give hand-holding to all the states, and various states have set various examples. This session, we are going to have presentation by various chief ministers and ministers subsequently. They will be talking about their good practices, best experiences, so that we can learn from each other's experiences and then move forward. Friends, I am very happy to have this conference today, and that too, India means urban as well as rural. So that's why both of us have joined together and then have come as an alliance before you and then sought your cooperation. I'm happy almost all the states are present today in the meeting. And also the representatives of the municipal bodies, they are also here today. So we are the real stakeholders. If we all join together, we will be able to fulfill the mission.
The Indian Army conducted surgical strikes last night at these launch pads. The operations were basically focused to ensure that these terrorists do not succeed in their design of infiltration and carrying out destruction